This is Juan Pablo,
This is Marlon.
This is Carlos.
and this is Marco. He's going to the airport right now, so he cannot be with us. We are the IRBIDS team. I read but I don't speak. And this is a submission in the education category. This is Bogota, or rather, this is a picture of the skyline in Bogota, the capital city of Colombia in South America. There are more than 8 million people in the city and almost 50 million people in the country. All of us speak Spanish. Some of us speak English. A lot of us would like to speak English better. When inquire about their knowledge of English, a lot of people here in the country will say, I read, but I don't speak. I can read it, but I can't speak it. I am too shy to speak. I don't. I'm afraid of my accent. I have to take an accent, or it's hard for me to articulate words. So this expression, I read but I don't speak, IRBID, gives the name to our group and is the core of our idea. We used Avaya Cloud Platform as a Service available at cloud.sang.io, and this is what we did. We created a phone application that asks you to repeat a phrase that we created a service to create and then checks via artificial intelligence with Watson how much alike the phrase was to what you said. With that, it gives you a grade and you can then see the result on an SMS or see the result on a website. First, we get a welcome screen. Then we ask, hey, this is the phrase. Then we go and get the phrase. We created a web service to get this phrase from our system. Then the phrase is repeated and it is a little bit slow so that it's easy to understand, so that it's easy to repeat. Then we tell the user, okay, repeat. Then we record what he's saying. Then we repeat what he said back to him. And then we check this one here, we check against Watson. And with that, we write back the result and check how many times he has tried, and continue the process a few more times if he so chooses. Um, with that, let's go and call it. We're going to use Skype to make the call. This is the number. This number is available as long as we have balance in the CPAS account. This number will work.
To IRBIDS trainer. Please listen and repeat the following sentence.
Do you like the book?
Please listen and repeat the following sentence.
Do you like the book?
Do you like the book?
This is what you said.
Do you like the book?
We are checking your pronunciation. Your score for this sentence was 0 points, and you have tried for 1 time. For the next sentence, press 1. We are sending the result in an SMS to your phone. Thanks for using our service.
This is the page you can check. Here, you can see all of your results and play the audios.
Do you like the book?
Here you can see how your score has been and where you are, what's your position. You could do a lot more things with this platform. You could, for instance, create conferences between students, or you could schedule a conference with a teacher and a student. So there is really no limit to what the capabilities this platform gives.